Yo, welcome, man. Welcome to episode 10, man. Episode 10. It's your boy, Rich Out the Stingy. We back at it again on the journey from taking $50 to 10K, man. $50 to 10K. As you can see, it's 3:56 in the morning, man. We're live in effect in London session on Tuesday. And right now, we're just kind of partaking in a bullish idea that I've identified, right? We've had price come down to a bullish fair value gap that was created yesterday in London session. This fair value gap was drawn to at 230, right? And at 230, we had a push up. Okay, coming into London session, we had a reference that break, that order block, bullish order block, and now we can see price going up with the high in target around 125.69. The next institutional level above that would be 125.80. So as you can see, that's my target. Okay, kind of just want to see if this was going to be able to play out, and that's what we're looking at. So quick little trade. We'll be back to, update you guys to see how this trade goes. But as you can see, it's only 4 in the morning. So yeah, man, let's see how this trade go. Yo, family, it's your boy, man, back at it. So as y'all remember, man, we were just in the trade and we just got stopped out. As you can see, let me just go back to it. We're down. We were at 133, okay? And we were at 139 when we started. We went all the way down to 133. And now we back at it with the trade. And we actually in the same idea. Price just kind of pulled back as sell placement was just a little bit tight, but after seeing price come down, reference this, and now have this reaction, we kind of back in it, even with the lower risk, smaller sell to the low of that same area that we just had. And then now we're just going to try to see what price can do and if it'll push itself back up to continue to go to our target of 1.2580, right above those highs from yesterday. So same concept still in play. Price just pulled back a little bit lower, but now we have a better opportunity, as you can see, starting to take off. So again, just going to sit back and monitor this position and tap back in with you guys to see how it goes. Yo, fam, what's up, man? So a quick update on that trade that we was back in after that first loss. As you can see, we back. We more than 5 times the initial loss of about $6. Oh, wait. No, it was about a loss of about $5. So we coming about 5 times that original loss. And as you can see, we are above $150, man. This is amazing, man. We are now officially 3x over the original balance, man. We've turned this up 100%, 3 times over. So 300% return. This is great, fam. This is great. We're making progress, and we continue to show that this is accomplishable. As you can see right now, we're getting a push-up after 5 o'clock news and come out for GBP USD about their economy, GDP, and some interest rate decisions. Yo, family, what's up, man? Tapping back in real quick, when I tapping back in for that update of that trade that we was just in. As you can see right now, we running a good $25 in profit, about 25 to 27% of our actual account balance in profit, which is great. And as you can see, man, we have broken the $150 mark, man. This is love. This is great right here. This is great. This is great. We are now officially 3x the account, about 300% return on the account. And man, this is a very great day. Great accomplishment to, be able to show that at the end of the day, you are able to take something and turn it into something more than what you had when you started with, okay? Yes, it may take time. Yes, life and things may get into it to may potentially prolong your journey, but if you stick to it, as you can see, things are doable, things are accomplishable, and we're witnessing this right now. We're witnessing right now, okay? So, as you can see, target again is still what we was targeting initially with the first trade of 1.2580. Anything above that will be cushion. But right above that will be able to give us some highs of the week. And that'll be a great trade going into, New York session to see what we could potentially get, man. So this is great. This is great. Okay. And let's just see how this can turn out for us and check right back in. Yo, what's up, family? Tap it back in, man. It's 5:30. As you can see right now, we're still in that same trade. We had a little bit of a pullback, so that decreased our profit, but we're still in range. Idea still is in context and in flow. Nothing significant has potentially happened yet, to completely reverse the whole idea and concept that we have in mind. All right, at 5 o'clock, we had that push. That was because we had some news come out. It is the beginning of NFP week. We had some GDP. We had some CPI information that came out for GBP USD, Great British Pound. So this is kind of just where we're at already. So as you can see right now, off of our original position, we have about $9 secured in profit already. So I'm just going to secure about 10%. Okay, so that's 10% of our account. So we've secured 10% of our account at this point now. So we're just going to kind of let this rock out and see where it can go. It does get a little bit of frustrating sometimes, when you put a trade in and you have such confidence in it, such, supporting details and supporting factors, and then, it could kind of turn around and bottom out, or not just simply reach your full target, or take you out, bottom out, drop and take you out of your original position, and then head to your original target, So it's just a part of the game, understanding things and how to flow and, just interact with the market, properly. Okay, but like I said, just showing you guys when we still got this going, we still running, and we're going to see where we kind of land at. Let's see where around 10 a.m. this morning where we can kind of land at, and that'll probably be the next time we check back in. So until then, man, like I said, man, we back at it. We pushing new heights, achieving new goals, new accomplishments, new account levels, man, new account balances. And I appreciate y'all, tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, man, and to the channel if you like the content that you're seeing. If you want to continue to see this journey of turning this $50 into $10K, man. It's your boy, Rich Out the Exchange, man. Until we meet in the next time, man, stay safe.